People often ask us, with so many batteries on market, why do we keep recommending Tesla Powerwall? As installers, we see how batteries perform long after the sales conversation is over. We care about how they're designed, how cleanly they install, how they behave during grid outages, and how they're supported long term. Tesla Powerwall 3 stands out because it's an integrated system, battery, inverter, and energy management working together, not a collection of separate parts trying to communicate. That integration means fewer points of failure, smoother backup operation, and a system that just does what it's meant to do without constant tweaking. It's also why we're comfortable putting Powerwall in our own home. If it works for us in real conditions, it works for our clients. We're a Tesla Premium certified installer, which reflects a higher standard for installation design, installation quality, and customer experience. We don't recommend products we wouldn't stand behind long term. If you're considering a battery, send us a recent power bill. We'll give you clear advice on whether Powerwall is the right fit for your home and what your options look like.